Huwag aksayahin ang biyayang kaloob ng Diyos. Ako po si Father Fiel Pareha at ito po ang ating segment, ang Daily Devotion, na kung saan tayo po ay magdarasal, magbabasa at magninilay kasama ng salita ng Diyos sa buong taon. Manalangin tayo. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Halina, banal na Espiritu, liwanagan mo ang aming puso at isip, nang maunawaan at may sa buhay namin ng iyong salita. Amen. Our Bible passage for today is from the Gospel of St. Luke chapter 16, verses 1 to 13, and I read it for you. Then Jesus said to the disciples, "There was a rich man who had a manager, and charges were brought to him that this man was squandering his property. So he summoned him and said to him, 'What is this that I hear about you? Give me an account of your management, because you cannot be my manager any longer.' Then the manager said to himself, 'What will I do now that my master is taking the position away from me? I am not strong enough to dig, and I am ashamed to beg. I have decided what to do so that when I am dismissed as manager, people may welcome me into their homes.' So summoning his master's debtors one by one, he asked the first, 'How much do you owe my master?' He answered, 100 jugs of olive oil. He said to him, 'Take your bill, sit down quickly, and make it 50. Then he asked another, 'And how much do you owe?' He replied, 100 containers of wheat. He said to him, 'Take your bill and make it 80. And his master commanded the dishonest manager because he had acted shrewdly. For the children of this age are more shrewd in dealing with their own generation than are the children of light. And I tell you, make friends for yourselves by means of dishonest wealth, so that when it is gone, they may welcome you into the eternal homes. Whoever is faithful in very little is faithful also in much, and whoever is dishonest in a very little is dishonest also in much. If then you have not been faithful with the dishonest wealth, who will entrust to you the true riches? And if you have not been faithful with what belongs to another, who will give you what is your own? No slave can serve two masters, for a slave will either hate the one and love the other, or be devoted to the one and despise the other. You cannot serve God and wealth." Napakarami pong ipinagkakaloob sa atin na biyaya ng Panginoon. Mga pagpapalang hiningi natin, pinagdasal natin, o kaya naman mga biyaya naman na ibinigay niya kahit hindi natin hiningi. Yan man ay sa mga material na bagay o sa katuparan ng ating mga plano, mga pangarap sa buhay, o ang narating natin sa kasalukuyan. Ang lahat ng ito ay mga pagpapala ng Panginoon na ibinuhos niya sa ating lahat. Ngunit ang katanungan, papaano po natin ginagamit ang mga biyayang ito? Ito ba ay ginagamit natin sa tamang paraan? Ito ba'y ibinabahagi natin at nililinang natin? O pinananatili lang natin ito sa atin at hinahayaan na lang natin na hindi gamitin ang biyayang ito? Sa ating pong binasang ebanghelyo sa araw na ito, may isang paalala sa atin ng Diyos: huwag sayangin ang biyayang kaloob ng Diyos. Kung gastador ka sa iba't ibang uri ng bagay, kung naglulustay ka ng biyaya ng Panginoon, at ginagamit mo lamang ito sa walang kakwenta-kwentang paraan at bagay, o kaya sinasarili mo lamang ito, sinasayang mo ang biyayang kaloob ng Diyos na sana magagamit ng iba, makakain ng mga may hirap o mga magugutom. Ang biyayang sinayang ay pinagkait natin sa mga may hirap o kaya naman sa mga taong nangangailangan. Kaya ugaliin po natin na gamitin ng tama at huwag sayangin ang biyayang ipinagkaloob sa atin ng Diyos. Manalangin tayo. Panginoon, turuan niyo po ang aming mga puso na linangin, gamitin ng tama at ibahagi ang mga pagpapalang ipinagkaloob niyo po sa amin. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Huwag po ninyong kalimutang i-like ang video ito, mag-comment po kayo and share it with your family and friends. Ang Panalangin Bago Matulog ay may sariling Facebook page na po. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutang mag-like at mag-follow dito and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I-click niyo lamang po ang link na nasa description ng video ito o kaya naman po just search Father Fiel Pareha. At kung nais niyo pong maging updated sa ating pagpapahayag, you can join our broadcast channel dito po sa ating Facebook page o kaya naman po sa ating bulletin board sa TikTok app. God bless you po.